Ethereum especially is a highest level mineable coin, with the ticker ETH, that in every practical sense, has a fundamentally present worth of $1,861.17 and a market capitalization of $223,672,330 when 870 win in a significant manner. Digital currencies explicitly have essentially lengthy past the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors, which explicitly is very critical. These days, it's a resource class that sort of is considerably controlled and, surprisingly, took on as lawful delicate, which is genuinely huge. Some exceptionally huge speculation banks in any event generally procure Ethereum and certainly other digital currencies as a group to generally safeguard their resources under administration, against the jogging expansion that handicaps the conventional monetary markets. Now is the ideal time to uncover our short, mid, and extremely long-haul expectation of the improvements on the ETH market that in every practical sense depend on the readings of our sort of remarkable crypto unpredictability record that in a real sense assists us with checking the market feeling and basically expect where in which the market means to go in a kind of enormous manner. At this point, the cost of Ethereum in every practical sense is $1,861.17, while the coin as of now really winds up at second spot in the truly by and large positioning, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. The said extremely positioning especially is assessed based on the resource's especially present value that basically is increased by its genuinely current market capitalization, an equation that basically is applied all through every monetary market, which basically is genuinely huge. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions, so our clients basically get the most important information with respect to the exhibition of computerized assets in their portfolios. Amazingly, it's likewise critical to especially consider the verifiable information that permits shaping the legitimate comprehension of the market structure in its course. On July 30th, the cost of Ethereum explicitly was at $1,881.08 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change added up to 0.91% in a huge manner. 7 days prior, on July 24th, ETH for the most part was esteemed at $1,888.58, and that truly intends that from that point forward, the cost especially has commonly varied by 0%, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. A month prior, on July 1st, the market member laid out the cost of Ethereum at $1,933.20. In this manner, the coin in a real sense has made a 3.73% move to arrive at its genuinely present standings by and large. In any case, as currently made sense of, the cost of Ethereum isn't the main variable that we in a real sense consider while making the cost forecast, which in a real sense is very critical. It's likewise vital to, for the most part, keep in every practical sense sharp eye on changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to in a real sense have an unmistakable perspective on where the market is heading. The examination of market capitalization basically conveys extremely equivalent significance in both digital currency and customary business sectors. As a matter of fact, similar numerical methodology in every practical sense is utilized to in every practical sense decide the truly generally speaking position and prominence of computerized resources and stocks. For example, in a fundamentally significant way, changes in market capitalization fundamentally sure or extremely negative essentially are additionally demonstrative of the manner by which the said market could truly be going, as well as the resources sort of potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both, for the most part, short and long haul viewpoints, or so they sort of thought. This genuinely specific most certainly metric explicitly is likewise used to check the strength of Ethereum, corresponding to the remainder of the cryptographic money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition, which especially is very huge. To basically decide the very current market capitalization of ETH, we generally duplicate the coursing supply, the boundary that will basically be made sense of later by the by and large present worth of the digital money under survey in an unobtrusive manner. Starting today, the market capitalization of Ethereum remains at $223,672,330 when 870 win, which shapes the reason for genuinely present positioning, essentially was referenced before in an extremely significant manner. Recently, on July 30th, ETH by and large had a market capitalization of $226,079,000 to $715, which basically is genuinely critical. Keep going week. On July 24th, The market capitalization of the coin being referred to for the most part was recorded at $226,995 $436,235 in a very huge manner. A month prior, on July 1st, the market worth of Ethereum by and large was surveyed to for the most part be $232,409,250 when kind of 926. Total stock considers the quantity of coins that truly have proactively been created but different means, for example through mining, in a quite huge way. These digital currencies can explicitly be utilized either for genuinely dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with overseers. So it's likewise essential to fundamentally keep an extremely sharp eye on changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to have a by and large clear perspective on where the market generally is heading. The examination of market capitalization truly conveys exceptionally equivalent significance in both cryptographic money and customary business sectors, or so they thought. This very metric additionally calculates the coins that for the most part have been gotten rid of through the interaction called consuming, which sort of is applied to control the expansion rate. At this point, in every way that really matters, all-out supply of Ethereum explicitly is laid out at 120,178,495 ETH in a genuinely huge manner. Ultimately, the coursing supply explicitly is utilized to truly compute the market capitalization and, in every practical sense, evaluate the coins by and large current remaining in the positions, or so they generally thought. It means the most certainly in general measure of ETH that basically is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that sort of are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly truly put unavailable for general use out of the blue. Pretty further appearance how yesterday, on July 30th, ETH certainly had a market capitalization of $226,079,002,715 in a very large manner. It's by and large truly accepted that digital currencies that have a circling supply between 60 million and 150 million fundamentally are the most appropriate for kind of long-haul speculation, since they in a real sense are generally sort of prone to in a real sense value and esteem over a lengthy time frame, conceivably many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate. At this crossroads, Ethereum in a real sense has a coursing supply of 120,178,495 coins. Over the by and large beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with ETH arrived at the place of $5,115,200,740 win, which generally is genuinely huge. Recently, on July 30th, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame in a real sense remained at $2,494,098,252 in an unobtrusive manner. 7 days prior, on July